As we head into a second day of strong wind, it is important to be mindful of your health.
Reporter Alyssa Munoz continues our team weather coverage. She is live this morning. And Alyssa, there is so much dust and pollen in the air right now.
Yeah, there is. And as Eric mentioned earlier, we're expecting a lot more today. You know, conditions like this can often cause itchy, watery eyes, runny nose, and a scratchy throat. So if you can, doctors recommend for you to try and stay inside and away from that wind. But if you can't, try to wear something that covers your face. Now, we did talk with an expert at the state's health department about what else you can do.
Also washing hands and face as soon as you come inside, also keeping windows closed so it doesn't blow inside, and then taking a shower at the end of the day and just making sure all the pollen is off, and taking shoes off when you go inside too, to not track pollen around can help.
Now, if your symptoms do worsen, she says you should go see a doctor, and also just try to be mindful and watch out for any air quality alerts that you may see in your area. Reporting live in Albuquerque, I'm Alyssa Munoz, KBT Action 7 News.